welcome to Aftercare. I have a fun project for you to do made with things from outside of your yard. What you need is 4 sticks, not too thin, and 8 rocks. So we're making a nature tic-tac-toe game. You can play it inside or you can play it outside. You can hot glue the sticks on there. If you can't, take your twine and wrap it around it. It takes a little bit of help. Maybe your mom can. I've already done 2, but you just take a piece of twine, yarn, string, whatever you have, and you can twist it around to get your sticks to tie together, so when you move your game around, they're still in the same spot. So you just kind of wrap it a few times both ways around. That way it will stay, and then you can cut the extra string off. So that's how it would look. You tie it on. I'm not going to tie all of them. Let's go to the rocks. You need 4 and 4. So what you do is you take these 4 and you're going to paint them green, or whatever color you like it to do. If you want, you can turn this into 4 bumblebees. Make these 4 ladybugs if you have some red paint. And then this one, I'm going to do pink. This way, when you play the game, you'll know your colors, which pieces are yours by their color. If you can't get the sticks together, you can also draw this on a piece of cardboard, so you can still use your rocks. Or if you want, outside, you can take sidewalk chalk and you can make a tic-tac-toe pattern and use your rocks outside on a piece of cement with chalk. So that's another way to play the game. So remember, you need to paint 4 the same color and 4 a different color, and you can collect. Make sure your sticks aren't too thin. But this is nature tic-tac-toe, and we'll see you next time.